Step 1. Attach the spring compressor to the spring of the strut assembly. Step 2. Compress the spring till the force exerted on the spring seats are released. Caution: never open the strut assembly without compressing the spring. The components may fly out with force when the strut bolt is removed and lead to injury and damage to the components. Step 3. Using a ratchet and box spanner, remove the strut bolt. Step 4. Remove the upper mount with its cap. Step 5. Remove the strut mount. Step 6. Remove the strut mount seat. Step 7. Remove the strut bearing seat. Step 8. Remove the bearing and upper spring seat. Step 9. Remove the mount stopper. Step 10. Remove the strut spring seat. Step 11. Finally remove the spring along with the spring compressor. This will retain the compression in the spring. The front strut is disassembled.